What is a noise filter? In electronics, noise is an unwanted disturbance in an electrical signal. A noise filter is a circuit that removes or filters out those disturbances. They are used to pass or amplify certain frequencies and block or attenuate other frequencies. Noise filters can be classified as either passive or active. Passive filters are made up of resistors, capacitors, and inductors. They do not require an external power supply to operate. Because of this, passive filters usually require amplification to make the signal suitable for processing. Passive filters do not have any bandwidth restrictions but are better suited for high-frequency operation to keep their size small. Active filters are made up of an active element, such as a transistor or operational amplifier, as well as resistors and capacitors. Unlike passive filters, active filters require an external power source to operate due to the transistor or amplifier. Active filters have bandwidth limitations due to the involvement of the active elements, which only operate properly in specific frequency ranges. There are four main types of noise filters: a low-pass filter, which blocks high frequencies, a high-pass filter, which blocks low frequencies, a band-pass filter, which allows a narrow range of frequencies to pass, and a band-stop filter, which blocks a narrow range of frequencies. Noise filters serve a critical role in many common applications, such as audio processing, radio reception, and power circuit conditioning. They do this by removing the unwanted parts of a signal. If you like this information on noise filters, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.